Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, it's really important. So today I'm doing a one brand tutorial with Maybelline. So starting off with this cream, this is from Face Shop. This is their chia seed cream. Of course this is not from Maybelline, but yeah, this is so good for hydrating, and since I was going to use a full coverage foundation, I needed it. Also make sure you moisturize your lip really nicely, and then I'll move on to this master primer. This is so good, you guys already know that I love it. So yeah, this is the primer for the day, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. It's really nice. It makes the skin look really good. So for the foundation, I'm taking this Superstay foundation and I'm taking one pump of it, and this is how I like to apply it. I dot it on my face, like on one section of my face, and then I blend it, and after that I move on to another section. I do this because this is quite a full coverage foundation. This sets quite nicely and quite quickly as well, so I don't want my face to be set, like the foundation to be set and then I try to blend it out and mess it up. And basically I don't want to use a lot of product, so I use it in sections. In this way you make sure that your face won't cake up and you use a lot lesser product. So you can see I'm covering my whole face and neck with one pump of foundation, and I'm in the shade 128, and yeah, this just fits me perfectly. And then I'll move on to concealer. So for concealer I have Age Rewind, one of my most favorites. So right now I'm using the shade medium, and I'll also use the shade neutralizer after it, like after doing something else. So yeah, I'm just using a brush from PAC. This is my favorite brush for blending my concealer. It's 211, and yeah, it's a very good foundation brush. It's a very good concealer brush. Moving on to my eyebrows, I have been to use this product for such a long time, but yeah, this is Maybelline. I think it's called Duo Fashion Brow. I don't really remember, but yeah, this is the first ever brow product I have ever used. So yeah, I'm using the pencil side and then the powder side, and this was their pomade, the Maybelline pomade that they bought out in the market. I don't know if it's good or not. I just used it today. I normally do not use it, but yeah, this is the finished eyebrow look. Then I took the super black kajal and I am just making a slightest wing eyeliner, you can see, with it, and this is just the base for what I'm going to do afterwards. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Master Contour Palette and taking the bronze shade. I'm going to apply it on my crease because it works really well. So yeah, now you're up close and personal, you can see my eye makeup really nicely right now. So yeah, I'm just using that to bronze it up because I'm going to use a lot of shimmer shadows, so I wanted something matte. Then taking the first palette for the day and taking the shade. There are no names for these shades, I'm really sorry, but the company did not provide them, so I'm taking that shade from the Rooftop Bronze palette, and this is the Cinnamon edition. These are so good. I have done review and eye looks with this. If you wanna check that out, it will be in the description box. I'm just taking and mixing and matching different shades to create a diffused brown plus copper eye look, and it's all shimmer. This is what I wanted to go for today, a very different look. I normally do not use anything shimmer above my crease, but this is all about shimmer. So taking the next palette, that is the Graffiti Pop, and I'm taking the deep dark plum shade, and now I am blending the kajal that I have applied. I'm just making it more smudgy. Then taking the beautiful violet shade, I'm going to smudge it further and take it forward, like upward to my lid. I think in this way you can really wear color, but in a very wearable manner. You know what I mean? I know not all of you are comfortable with wearing really nice bright colors on their eyes. Honestly, I am not too, but in this way you can incorporate a really nice color. Not only purple, you can go for whatever color you want and it won't like overpower your look, but still look really pretty. So next I'm taking the neutralizer shade and applying it in all the high points. this is actually a great thing to use. This is a really good shade for brightening up your eyes and also your under eyes. Oh my god knows I need it. I have such bad dark circles right now because I'm not sleeping at night properly. I'm editing and doing work. Right now it's 2:40 and still I'm editing. So yeah, and then I'm using this blush. It's a very good blush. I hope you guys have seen the review that I've done on it, and it's also the most viewed video in my channel, which is crazy. I never thought this video will do so good, but yeah, here it is. But anyway, now I'm using the Fit Me Loose powder to set my face. This is my obsession. This powder is so good. You have to get your hands on this. Also, now I'm taking the Master Contour palette and using the bronze shade to bronze up my face, and I needed it. I was looking so pale today, I don't know why, but yeah, I went ham on with the bronzer. I literally really love it. This is so good. So yeah, I'm just bronzing all my face, and then I'm dusting off the bake. Not really, I haven't really baked, but yeah, the excess powder. And then I'm bronzing my nose as well. And after that, I'll go on with the same Graffiti Pop palette again. Take the purple shade and yeah, line my lower lash line. This looks so bomb. You guys must see the pictures on my Instagram. Also, I'm running a giveaway. You guys must participate. So yeah, I took this Lasting Drama eye pencil and it's called Striking Copper. Yeah, I applied that on my waterline, and then again I went into that shimmer shade from that palette. What is it called? Rooftop Blondes. And yeah, now I'm just curling my eyelashes, and I'll go in with the mascara. This is the Big Shot mascara. This is so good. You guys must own one. Now just look at the difference. This is so good. Then I took these lashes and I cut them into half and attached them to the outer corner only, and then I mixed the blush and the bronzer together and then used it on my cheeks as a blush because I like that color better. So now taking the eyeliner. I think this is the gel eyeliner, Studio Gel, yes, from Maybelline. This is so good. I elongated the inner corners and then I'm lining my lashes and extending it a little bit from the outside. It also will hide the lash band, so it's a smart thing to do. Plus it looks super pretty. So now it's time to use my broken highlighter. Oh my god, this breaks my heart. But yeah, this is the highlighter. This is in the shade Rose Gold and this is so good. I'm also going to use some of it on my eyes again for the shimmer, and yeah, it looks beautiful. The reflection is, oh my god, just look at that. And again, I'm going to use it on the usual places, and then I move on to the lip liner for the day. I am not really a fan of the formula, but yeah, the shades are really good. Even the bullet lipsticks from Maybelline, they just break. I don't know why, what is their problem, but yeah, they're just not good. They just melt off. So anyway, I took this shade called Mysterious Mocha and it's beautiful. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I really liked it. And that's it. I'll see you guys really soon. I love you all so much.